Hey everyone, in today's video we'll explore the promising path of an FP&A analyst for those eyeing a finance career. We'll clarify the role, responsibilities, salary expectations, necessary skills, and educational requirements for an FP&A analyst. Drawing from an analysis of 820 job postings, we're eager to present our report's findings for an accurate overview. But before proceeding, kindly support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insightful career content. Very well, let's get started. So, what does an FP&A analyst do? An FP&A analyst is responsible for managing a company's budgeting and forecasting activities. A budget outlines goals for the upcoming year or years and details plans to achieve them. Planning identifies potential opportunities and bottlenecks and helps management make important decisions when leading the company toward its goals. On the other hand, forecasts are improved predictions for the current calendar year based on available data. With forecasts, we refine budget predictions based on new information available throughout the year. For example, in April, we'll have a better idea of how the company's sales are developing compared to what we knew in December and January. A key distinction among FP&A analysts is between strategic FP&A analysts, who focus on long-term planning, and operational FP&A analysts, who manage updates to forecasts and daily planning. Additionally, some FP&A analysts specialize in forecasting sales revenue and related costs, while others focus on managing investments and significant expenditures related to the balance sheet. Despite their diverse specializations, all FP&A analysts are united by a common goal: to help companies efficiently and effectively plan their resources. This shared mission serves as a guiding light for the entire organization. This is impressive, but how does this translate in terms of salary? How much does an FP&A analyst earn? Glassdoor and PayScale are kind enough to share their insights. Embarking on an FP&A analyst career, you can anticipate starting with an average salary of $88,000. As your career progresses, expect to earn a higher wage, with senior FP&A analysts having 4 to 6 years of experience making over $120,000 annually. Pursuing a career as an FP&A analyst is an excellent starting point, potentially leading to such roles as finance manager and even CFO. Many FP&A analysts wonder, is a university degree necessary for employment? Our analysis of 820 job postings reveals that 42% require a bachelor's degree, 33% a master's, and 9% do not specify a university degree as a prerequisite. So, while lacking a university degree does not preclude you from securing a financial analyst position, it does reduce the available opportunities. But let's tackle the critical issue: the skills required for an FP&A analyst role. Number 1 on the list is Excel proficiency, a requirement for solid Excel skills in 90% of job postings. Here are the most sought-after financial analysis skills for FP&A analysts. Unsurprisingly, forecasting and budgeting are prominently featured in job postings, with 71% of employers highlighting forecasting and over 50% emphasizing budgeting. Other commonly sought-after analytical skills include cost analysis and variance analysis, each mentioned in over 35% of job ads. Additionally, more than 35% of opportunities require solid financial reporting capabilities, and nearly a quarter of employees also seek candidates with financial modeling expertise. Our 365 Financial Analyst program thoroughly teaches all these technical skills. If you're committed to securing an FP&A analyst position, click the link in the description for an invaluable resource in your job hunt. Many candidates often wonder if a professional finance certification is necessary for employment. Our research shows that the CPA professional designation is valuable, appearing in 17% of job listings, followed by Certified Corporate FP&A Professional at 11% and CFA at 7%. In addition to Excel, FP&A analysts often use specialized software, such as Hyperion, 13.4%, Anaplan, 7%, and Workday, which appears in 5% of job ads. Data analysis expertise is essential for FP&A analysts, who often need to manage relational databases via SQL, required by 13.9% of employers, and use BI tools like Power BI and Tableau, 13.3% and 12.5% respectively. While we can't say that you need these skills to become an FP&A analyst, in some situations, employers will prefer to hire individuals with a broad skill set who can work with databases and BI intelligence software. Very well. In larger companies, FP&A analysts are often required to work with a sophisticated enterprise resource planning system. Therefore, it comes as no surprise that numerous job listings, more than 30%, mainly from big companies, highlight the demand for robust ERP expertise, particularly in SAP, 16%, and Oracle, 11%. I hope this brief guide on essential FP&A analyst skills for 2024 proves invaluable. Learn how to develop them by visiting our website at 365financialanalyst.com, which is linked in the video description. Okay, this will do for today. Thanks so much, everyone, and see you in our next video.